Now, товарищ, have question for you. What does classless, moneyless worker society and American dream have in common? I tell you what, is fifth and final principle of con artistry. Vague promise of dream never to come. Is principle that you now use, along with other principles I teach you, on your first target. Now we see if you have true heart of con artist, because you see, the true con artist knows no boundaries, no quandaries. Why, he is willing to scam anyone, even his very beautiful, very lonely, very wealthy wife. Look who I bring home, wealthier than he left.
Oh, my darling, it's so wonderful to see you. I've missed you terribly.
Oh, you trust. Tavarish here has missed you even more. In fact, life without you has been like black hole.
Really? You missed me that much? I didn't know. I've been writing you so many letters and I've been thinking about you constantly. I didn't know you were also feeling the same way.
Oh, truthfully, Tavarish here has been unable to sleep without you. His knees weak just at sight of you. But he hears writing. Loss of talent.
I did write, actually, my latest collection of poems. They've all been inspired by you, you know. Some of them are playful, some of them are erotic, some of them are about our first date. I don't know if you'd want to see it.
Oh, you definitely want to see
You
it.
do?
Definitely. Any poem warms heart, any effort
Well,
melts soul.
in that case, you know, there's actually there's a poem being written in my heart just as we speak, just now looking at your face. Could I tell it to you?
You want to hear.
My dearest darling, I love you so. Into your arms I want to go. Though your corporal form is far away, in your arms I want to stay. You truly transcend space and time. To turn from you would be a crime. You are a mystery to me. I devote myself to you entirely. I devote myself to your grace and wit. In your lap I wish to sit. This is my poetry for you.
Is truly something. Is better than William Blake. Is better than Pushkin even. It's so good to see genuine, authentic love nowadays. You know, I have a proposition. I truthfully don't know if we should be offering you this, but your poem moved us such. We are willing even to be scammed in this situation. You see, we recently come upon $30 million in successful male enhancement multi-level business. And you see, we think that together we can make a lot of money.
Oh, you know, say no more. Of course I will help you out, but honestly, money doesn't really mean anything to me. The real wealth is honestly just being in your heart and the love we share together.
Oh, is she not truly the most pure soul there is? I truly love lack of boundaries. Now, I believe you teach me something too, Tavarish. True love is not scam. True love cannot be scammed. I mean, look at your beautiful, talented, wealthy wife, who is so willing to give herself to such ambitious, limitless, boundaryless scoundrel like yourself. In fact, one might say, you're the one being scammed here. Okay, now we make fun time with your new rich friends. Bye-bye. We're going to make so much money now.